Alright everybody, today we're going to be taking a look at the used blah blah. Yeah, spit it out, Stooge. The Ulanzi strobe light, drone strobe light, right here. And of course we're going to sport it up on the Mavic Mini, you know, the workhorse. Anyway, I got rid of the other part of the packaging already, so we can just open it up and dump it out. So right there, that's what you get. You get a couple of stickers so you can mount it a couple times on different quadcopters. It's Velcro. Then it has the built-in Velcro thing here. When you charge it, the charge port is right under here. Right there. When you plug it in, it's a USB-C, by the way. And when you charge it, there's a blue light on here. Right here. It'll come on. And when it goes out, and when the charging is done, the blue light will go out. There's a look at the unit there. To turn it on, you turn it on right here. There's a little button right here. And now it'll go through these progressions when you turn it on. Well, doesn't go through the progression. You have to set the progressions by hitting the button. You hold the button in, and it'll come on. That's red, by the way. And you hit the button again, and it'll flash red. A double flash. Then you hit it again, and it'll do a quick flash like that. Hit it the next time, it'll go to green. And then go through the same progression. Hit it again, it'll go to the white. Hit it again, it'll go to that quick flash. And it'll do that one there. And then it'll start back at the beginning. It'll go back to the red. So it has the three settings on there. Yeah. And then you just mount it right there. That's where I'm going to be mounting it, right there. Like that. So, yeah. Looks good. Let's go out and try it. It's not complicated. Easy stuff. Oh, I didn't get the weight on there. Let me turn it off real quick and weigh it up. And we'll weigh it up with the pad, because of course that's part of it. With the pad, it's 15.2 grams. Okay, good stuff. Let's go out and check it out. Anyway, we're out here with the little strobe light, and we're going to turn that on. So we're going to see how that whirls. You can see it in the video. See how it's flashing in the front of the screen there, you'll see. Oh, it says gimbal stuck. Oh, that's good. Hey, Dumbo, take the cover off. There you go. Okay, so we started the video already. Okay, let's see. You know, like I said before, it's very hard for me to find a place to go in the dark. In the city, everything's got street lights everywhere. Okay. So it's recording nothing because it can see absolutely nothing. It's completely dark over there. But you can see the green. Now, I don't know if I like the green, to be honest with you. So I went up, what, 90 feet? I can see it. Hopefully you guys can see it if I have the hat cam turned up enough. Well, did you see what that was doing up there? I guess the Mini don't like flying in the dark, man, because it was starting to drift away. I guess it just can't see. Yeah, I'm not too hip on the green, to be honest with you. So let me land it real quick. See if we can put that white one on. We could change the color here. Yeah, let's go with the white. And see how that looks. Yeah, when I got up to that 100 feet, that Mavic Mini started, it was gonna leave. I don't know where it was going, to be honest with you. Okay, let's go over here in the dark. So you can see it. That's not an issue. That's not going to be the issue. It's seeing that thing is not going to be the problem. It's going to be how safe is it? What's the Mini going to do when it gets up there to that certain amount of height? Okay, so I'm 162 feet away. I can see it flashing right there. You know, no problem, actually. It's flashing, you know, I can easily see it, so. But going up there real high, you could see it didn't like that one bit, so. It works. I just don't know how much I'd trust flying this thing in the dark. So I don't think the Mini's made for dark nighttime flight. If somebody knows something that I don't know, let me know and I'll figure it out. Alright guys, there you go, the strobe light for the Mini. It worked okay. The weight didn't bother it at all, so. There you go. Mini strobe, yay. Alright guys, I'll talk to you later, man. Have a nice day.